Okay, so hi, this is our what, fourth session, right? No, fifth session. Fifth session.
Yes.
Okay. So today, last session I asked you to watch a movie. I remember, practice a few words, and talk about your favorite person.
Yes.
So, have you practiced that?
Yeah, I practice.
Okay. So let's begin, and let's begin talking about your favorite person, and then we'll move to the other part. Okay. Start.
So my favorite person is Ritesh Agarwal.
Is who?
Ritesh Agarwal.
Okay.
So the owner and the CEO of the Oyo rooms.
Sorry, there was a background noise. Just continue. Continue as if you normally talk. I'm not taking any test here, okay?
My favorite person is Ritesh Agarwal, owner and the CEO of the Oyo rooms, born in
What?
Oyo rooms. Oyo rooms.
She's from Oreo Room.
Oyo.
Okay. I can't hear Mahesh in between there's noise. One more time. And this time say she, not C. That's also one thing I want to correct.
It's CEO, Chief
Sorry?
Executive Officer. It's CEO, Chief of Executive Officer.
CEO.
Yeah.
Okay. Again, sorry. I thought you were talking about she. So again, start again. Let me hear you.
My favorite person is Ritesh Agarwal, CEO and the owner of the Oyo Room. Okay. Born in Odisha state. Uh, I love his thoughts and he achieved his success in his 20s. That's why I love him very much. And I love his uh, new and innovative idea in the hotel chain industry. He started
In which industry?
hotel chain industry,
Noodle chain industry.
hotel.
Oh, hotel chain industry. Okay, okay.
He started hotel chain industry. Now he become a second largest hotel chain industry in India,
Mm-hmm.
and he's growing up very fast. And I'm I'm biggest fan of his.
Okay, you're his biggest fan. Yeah, you can
Yeah,
simply say it in a shorter sentence. I'm his biggest fan.
I'm his biggest fan.
Yeah, or I'm one of his biggest fans.
I'm one of his biggest
Fans, huh? When you say one of
fans.
his fans, right? Okay, that's fine. It was much more confident. See, whenever I tell you to talk to me about anything, just talk to me as if you're making a conversation. You don't have to talk like a free speech session, okay? Like somebody is speaking on the stage and you're speaking. It's okay, and it's much better. Okay, so that was good. I personally did not capture too many errors. Okay, so that was really good. Let's now share the PPT and I want to hear the words. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's practice these words. Can you pronounce the first one for me?
Treasure,
Awesome. One more time.
treasure,
Treasure. Okay. Next one.
pleasure,
Uh-uh.
pleasure,
Z nahi. J. Treasure सही
pleasure,
बोला. Treasure सही बोला है.
pleasure.
Good. Next one.
Usually,
Uh-uh. See,
usually.
yes. See, you said it.
Us-
The moment you said treasure correctly, I thought you would say all of them correctly because they all have the j sound. So one more time, now say it together. Treasure, pleasure, usually.
Pleasure, pleasure, usually,
Usually. Okay?
usually.
Yeah. We can't be, Mahesh, we cannot ignore certain things, okay, when we talk about pronunciation. Because again, it's not that I can't understand you. I can very well understand what you say. Okay. However, you want to be able to reach that level where you want to be one of the best speakers, right? So for that, it's important that you don't ignore sounds.
Okay.
Okay. What about the next one?
Decision,
Good. Very good. Next one.
she,
She.
entrepreneur,
Good.
food,
Uh-uh.
food,
Food.
food.
Because
Yeah,
it's the long oo sound. Remember we discussed.
Food.
Food. Perfect. So you've talked about your favorite person with confidence. Now, did you get a chance to watch an English movie?
Yeah.
Which one did you watch?
Alita the Battle Angel.
Sorry?
Alita.
Can you spell it for me?
Alita. Alita.
Okay, what is it about?
Story.
No, don't tell me the whole story. Just tell me what, in a maybe 2 to 3 lines summary.
Okay. Yeah. So Alita,
Is it a comedy?
it's a science fiction movie.
Okay, it's
Alita.
a science fiction. Okay, I haven't seen it yet, so that's why I'm asking you.
Yeah, it's a science fiction movie, and it has a very good combination of love story and
And?
Alita. She was a warrior.
Okay.
Okay, so what? There was a scene when he, when she, no, मतलब भारतीय में उनको क्या बोलते हैं?
Sorry?
वो एक बैटल में हार गया.
So, वो पहले वॉरियर थी या पूरे मूवी में वॉरियर रही है?
वो स्टार्टिंग से मतलब वॉरियर थी.
अच्छा. And then she
हाँ.
loses a battle.
हाँ, फिर उसके बाद उसके जो बॉडी पार्ट है ना, बिकॉज वो साइंस.
No, say it in English.
Okay.
So here's what I understand. Okay, it's a science fiction movie, and it has a brilliant love story involved. So she is a warrior, and initially she loses a battle,
Yeah.
right?
And his, yeah, and he was like, computer type of robotic body का उसका.
किसका?
Alita.
Huh?
Alita.
Alita का robotic body. So is she a robot?
Yeah, she was a robot. She is a robot.
She is a robot. Okay. चलो इसको अभी छोड़ते हैं. However, next time I tell you again, see, हम लोग रट्टा नहीं मारे यहाँ पे कि favorite person बोला था उसको कर दिया, introduction आ गया. Now, anytime you talk, you have to start constructing sentences. And Mahesh, this is not just with you. A lot of us, we sometimes, we feel like, okay, I've started it, now the other person will complete it. That's what I'm saying. Fluency will only, be smooth for you if you continuously speak. You have to complete your sentences. Okay? And believe me, what you're going through is something even I used to go through. I have been through this phase where I used to just start a sentence and then I wouldn't complete it. So that's why I understand, okay, what happens. And you just want to say something in Hindi, it's okay. Today you've said it. Maybe now think about this movie one more time, okay? And try to describe it in 3 to 4 lines. Like, for example, okay.
Okay, try one more time.
Okay, sure. And before you start, one more thing I want to tell you. You said fiction. Okay, so please say fiction. I know you know how to say sure, okay? So, but when you're in a flow, it's science fiction. It's a sure sound, okay? And also, you said she was a warrior. And today, luckily, we're going to cover verbs and tenses. See, was a warrior means she was just once a warrior, but no more is she a warrior, okay? But if she's a warrior throughout the movie, then you're going to state a fact, which is she is a warrior in the movie. Okay? So now you start.
Okay. So Alita is a science fiction movie.
Okay.
And in this movie, Alita is a warrior. And she has a robotic body. Initially, he lost his battle.
She loses a battle. It's a fact you're stating.
Okay. She loses her first battle, and his body, dumped,
His or her?
Her body dumped into dump-yard area. And
Gets dumped. Gets dumped.
Yeah.
Does somebody dump it or does it automatically go?
No, when she lost his match, so his body went to the dump-yard area.
So again, see, you're talking in present tense, so you'll continue in present tense. So when she loses her first battle, her body gets dumped.
Okay, get dumped
In the dump yard.
in the dump.
Or under the ground, wherever you want to say it. Okay.
Under the ground. And then after a decade,
After
scientist,
a decade.
yeah, decade. Sorry. After a decade, one scientist found his body and he rearranged her body.
One scientist finds her body.
One,
You're stating a fact, right?
yeah, like I was thinking in past and because I saw movie in last before 3 days.
Yeah, but when you're narrating something, it's a fact, right? And that's what we'll discuss today. When you're narrating a story, if you're starting in present tense, it's a fact that you're stating. This is what happens in the movie.
Okay. So one scientist find his body and
Finds her body.
finds her body and he rearranged her body. Okay, like
Okay.
he joined new part in her
Okay.
body
Okay. Fine.
and, the scientist no she lose her all the previous memories.
Sorry?
Lalita. She lose her all previous memories.
Previous membranes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Where she was come from and what was her name.
Memories. Okay.
Yeah, memories. She lost all his memories.
Okay.
Then scientists tell, scientists give her,
The scientist. You're talking about a specific scientist. So the scientist
the scientists give her new name, Alita. Alita,
gives.
the scientist give her new name.
The scientist gives her a new name. Article mat khao. Bhook lagi hai, khana khao. Huh?
The scientist give her a new name.
Gives her a new name.
The scientist gives her a new name,
What
Alita.
is her new name? Okay, her new name is Alita.
Alita.
Okay.
Alita is the name of his daughter, the
Okay.
scientist's daughter.
Good.
Okay. And his daughter is dead in before 5 years or 6 years ago.
Sorry, his daughter?
Scientist's daughter dead before
Okay.
5 years.
So she died when, she was 5 years. She died when she was 5 years old. In this
Yeah.
case, you can say past tense, right? She died when she was 5 years old. That's past tense.
Yeah, so that's why the scientist gave her a new name and he adopted him as a daughter,
Okay, he adopts Alita as his daughter.
as his daughter. And then story goes continue and Alita
Story goes continue nahi, and then the story continues.
and the story continues. Alita meet with one boy and they become a friend. And Alita has a robotic body, so she don't have emotion.
Okay, now I'll stop you right here. A lovely story. You said Alita meets with one boy. No, Alita meets a boy.
Alita meets a boy.
When you say meet with her, it means they're going for a meeting. You're not talking about a meeting, right? You were saying that she met a guy. So she meets a guy, a boy, one boy.
She meets a guy
Okay.
and she has no emotion because she has a robotic body and
Okay.
boy has the emotion for Alita.
Now, 1 second. A very good thing you said is she has a robotic body. So you did not miss out the article. फिर boy के बाद नहीं, the boy. You're talking about that specific boy. The boy has emotions.
The boy has an emotion.
The boy has emotions.
The boy has emotions and
And do they fall in love then?
yeah, they fall in love.
And then do they fight the war again?
Yeah, they वापस से
Sorry? बोलो हिंदी में बोलो मैं बताती हूँ.
हाँ, तो वापस से वो मतलब फाइट के लिए जाते हैं and this time उसके पास मतलब न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी की मशीन होती है, मशीन के सारे वेपन्स होते हैं न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी.
अच्छा यहीं पर रुको. आप एक बात बताओ. आपने बोला वापस वॉर के लिए जाते हैं. कुछ नहीं बोलना. And they return for the war again.
They return for the war.
Right?
Yeah.
Or you can say the war happens again. And this time they are more prepared.
Yeah.
They have scientific machines and technology.
And this time they win the match.
You win the battle, right?
Yeah.
See, I've understood the complete story, okay? And it's not that you didn't give it a try. I'm glad, Mahesh, that's what the good thing is, that at least you try. That is very nice that you said, I'll try again. Now you understand why I'm this time. Now I'm going to get more, active when it comes to correcting you then and there, because you need to realize the errors that you're making, okay? So, for example, you kept saying the scientist. So you remember it's the scientist, okay, and the boy, because you're talking about the specific scientist who helped her and the boy who meets her.
Okay.
Not meets with her. Meets with her means he went for a meeting with her. Okay, so he meets her, and then the story. You said story goes continue. No,
Yeah.
the story continues.
The story continues.
दो verbs क्यों use करने हैं साथ में? Goes continue तो दो verbs हो गए ना?
हाँ.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
So it's a good that you describe this, because today our topic is verbs. Okay. Now this is very important. It's slightly tricky. Okay, because when you talk about verbs, there are lots of examples, especially when it comes to tenses. I always say, tense due to tenses, okay? Because it's a very, if you understand it, Mahesh, about tenses, then you won't face any difficulty. But I'm going to give you time, okay? I'm not saying you have to learn everything within a month. I will give you time to improve. You have already shown improvement a little bit. Do you feel more confident now? First, tell me that. Don't just say yes. Yeah, just because she's asking, Neetu's asking, then I bol deta hu yes. You need to tell me that, do you feel more confident while talking to other people?
Yeah, I felt.
Felt nahi, feel. I feel confident. When you say I felt confident, तब क्या होता है? उसका मतलब होता है कि हाँ मैंने एक बंदे से बात करी, I felt confident. But when you say I feel more confident, मतलब it's a fact. मैं all the time confident feel करता हूँ. Getting it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's begin with verbs. And I'm going to add 2 more words which you're going to practice. I have to upload those other videos also. Very soon I'm going to upload them, so you can see the list from there. I'm adding the word fiction. Not that you can't pronounce it, but you said fiction in between, in the flow.
Yes.
It's fiction.
Fiction.
First sound. A sound, the choti E.
Yeah.
K. Sh.
Yeah.
And then that schwa sound that we discussed, the sound, remember? The sound, the schwa sound. So
Yeah.
fiction. Okay.
Fiction.
Yeah, and fic is stressed. Fiction.
Fiction.
Yeah. Okay, then there's one more word which is decade. Decade.
Decade.
Yeah. Okay. Memories. Now you know how you said it. You said you ate it up. Memories. No, memories.
Memory.
Not memories.
Memory.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Memories.
Memory.
Yeah. Are you good with decade and memories?
Yeah. Good.
So I'll tell you what. Okay, 1 second. Let me just break this word also. Give me 1 second. Okay? I'm going to make you hear it too. Before breaking words, it's very important to know every sound in it, okay? Just here. Can you hear this?
No.
Did you hear that?
Little bit.
Okay, so it's decade.
Decade.
Yeah, decade.
Decade.
Yeah, so
Decade. Yeah.
okay, and this is the stress part.
Yeah.
1 second. Decade. So they're saying you can stress either one. You can either So sometimes, you know, one word has different ways of pronouncing it, but you can say decade. So you stress on the first part. Say it for me.
Decade.
Good. And not kid. Cade. Decade.
Decade.
Yes. Similarly, when I say memories, memories,
Memory.
right? Memories. Yeah,
Memory.
yeah. And you have to open your mouth and say it, okay? When you say rees, your mouth should hurt.
Memory.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Because you remember these sounds, right, Mahesh? These vowel sounds.
Yes, yes.
How much we did ah, oo, ee. So that those sounds we pronounce so that you can open your mouth. I see the difference, but I want you to work harder when it comes to opening your mouth with long sounds. Okay? So let's, before I move to verbs, quickly say hey,
Hey.
be.
B.
Open your, stretch your mouth. Be. It should hurt.
B.
Shine.
Shine.
Phone.
Phone.
Both.
Both.
Yeah, it's not both. Both.
Both.
Cool.
Two.
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 And then this U is okay. Q and few. Ah, like car.
Car.
Bar.
Bar.
Past.
Past.
Last.
Last.
Yeah, okay. So that's an exercise. You should do this every day.